Imagine harnessing the power of an entire star. What if humanity could build a structure so massive, so advanced, that it could collect endless energy straight from the sun? Today, we're diving deep into one of the most mind-blowing concepts in space engineering, the Dyson Swarm. This isn't just science fiction anymore, it's the future of civilization. Let's explore how it could actually be built, step by step. And if you love space, technology, or the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. Here's a very detailed breakdown of how humanity, or any advanced civilization, might build a megastructure around a star to harness its energy, like a Dyson Sphere, Dyson Swarm, or Dyson Bubble. The ultimate energy harvesting project, building a megastructure around a star. A deep dive into the science, engineering, and future technology needed to capture 100% of a star's energy. What is a Dyson structure? Invented by Freeman Dyson, 1960, theoretical physicist. Purpose: to harvest the full energy output of a star, like our sun. Variations: Dyson Sphere, a solid shell, unrealistic, would collapse. Dyson Swarm, a cloud of orbiting solar collectors, most likely. Dyson Bubble, similar to a swarm, but with active positioning like solar sails. Matryoshka brain, multiple Dyson spheres nested inside each other for massive computing power. Phase 1. Planning the project. Calculate the sun's output. Total solar energy, 3.8 times 10 to 26 watts. Earth only receives 1.74 times 10 to 7 watts. By building a Dyson Swarm, we could increase energy availability by billions of times. Choose the best orbit. Optimal: 1 astronunical from the star, same as Earth's orbit. Collectors should be non-intersecting to avoid collisions. May include varied orbits to maximize coverage over time. Phase 2. Sourcing materials. 2.1. Earth-based resources won't be enough. Need materials for billions of solar collectors. Launching from Earth is too expensive. 2.2. Target asteroids, the Moon, and Mercury. Mercury is rich in metals and close to the Sun. Ideal. Use robotic mining systems. Process materials in orbit to avoid lifting gravity wells. 2.3. Build space-based factories. Use 3D printers and automated forges, powered by solar energy from the star, capable of building solar satellites and replicating themselves. Phase 3. Automated construction. 3.1. Create self-replicating robots, von Neumann probes. Design robots to mine, build, launch, replicate. Growth becomes exponential from dozens to millions of workers. 3.2. Deploy modular solar collectors. Small satellites with lightweight solar panels, communication system, laser microwave transmitter, possibly solar sails for orbit positioning. Phase 4. Energy collection and transmission. 4.1. Collect the star's energy. Solar panels absorb energy directly from the star. The closer to the star, the more energy per square meter. At 1 AU, approximately 1,366 watts per square meter. Closer equals hotter equals more engineering challenges. 4.2. Beam energy wirelessly. Microwaves or laser beams transmit power to Earth-based receivers, rectennas, orbiting stations, Mars, Moon, deep space stations. Must avoid accidental targeting of Earth to safety controls needed. Phase 5. Scaling up to full swarm. 5.1. Build millions to billions of units. Each satellite adds energy collection capability, eventually covers nearly all directions around the star. Cloud of collectors looks like a Dyson Swarm. 5.2. Long-term expansion. Add thermal radiators to deal with excess heat. Computation systems, turning the swarm into a massive computer. 5.3. Possible uses. Powering interstellar travel, powering planet-wide AI systems, hosting a Matryoshka brain hypothetical computer the size of a star system, detecting alien civilizations we search for their Dyson spheres via infrared. Major technical challenges. Who could do this? Imagine a day when we no longer fight over resources, but draw unlimited energy directly from our sun. Building a Dyson Swarm could mark humanity's next great leap, from a planetary species to a civilization of the stars. As you've seen, building a megastructure around a star isn't just a dream, it's a possible future for advanced civilizations, maybe even ours someday. From robotic self-replicators to orbiting solar collectors, it's a journey from imagination to interstellar reality. If this blew your mind, give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow space lovers, and drop a comment on what you'd build if you had access to a star's energy. And most importantly, subscribe for more deep dives into space, science, and the unbelievable future ahead, because the universe isn't waiting.